NBIS stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. So this is 11th of August pre-market. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1-minute video till the end. Find out. What I'll tell you is that I like this bullish market, but it's not a random buy. I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. I spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. You know, so documenting what's working for me and what's not. Especially over the last 5 years, you know, what I figured is after the beautiful pump, I want to squeeze the most juice that I can out of this, meaning I want to buy more when it's pumping, right? But that's what I want. Am I gonna randomly buy? No. Okay, so what I'm hoping I see is a little correction. It doesn't even have to be this low. Only if it makes sense and there is a actual double break, then and only then I'm looking to take things further up. But like randomly buying, man, it's not gonna be happening, like generally speaking. So this is where we are. Boom. And yeah, I'll be waiting for you. I do see pre-markets to be higher, but it's being made at 5:11 a.m. Eastern time, so this could change. And I'm not just gonna assume stuff. So I do have previous NBIS receipts, but if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.